Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically kick people out of your Zoom meeting. So to do that, you are going to go to participants. Then you are going to select it. On the right side, this will show up. Select the three dots next to their name and select remove. You can also report them if you want to. I'm not going to do that because it's like just from an app. But that is how you can remove people from your Zoom meetings. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I hope you watched till the end. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.